Hard water can damage your pipes, leave ugly white stains, and make your water feel rough on your skin. This Santan Valley home had the same problem, until AZ Emergency Plumbing installed a professional water softener system. Now the water is cleaner, smoother, and better tasting throughout the entire home. The pipes are protected, appliances last longer, and the installation is done cleanly with no mess and no stress. This Christmas, give your home the gift of soft, clean water. Call AZ Emergency Plumbing at 480-547-9517 today for expert water softener installation in Santan Valley, Arizona. Fast service, reliable results, professional installation.